I don't think so. Oh no, here he goes. And now I'm gonna turn my blinkers off here. And this is, what do we want to call this?
Live from Sardis.
Live from Sardis Secondary.
The super, what kind of sport should we call this?
And Dusty is coming around the corner with
and a wipeout.
Oh, wipeout!
After one corner, we have
one corner. How pathetic! Who's on there? Is that Stoner?
Yeah,
yeah, that looks like Stoner. We've got. Oh, maybe we do need the wipers. And then we got Sean Meister on the back of the truck. Probably.
Come on!
Go on, Stoner! Do a little better, eh?
I'm working on it. Just started here.
Oh, here, Mo. Yeah, we'll put on frost. And he's trying to maintain control.
Should I have the window open?
Sure. And
Oh, we're gonna run him over.
We're gonna run into him. He sucks. He's the worst one here, man. He let go. Oh, how pathetic. Oh, look at him. He's swearing.
What?
Come over here. And it's a trade-off.
We have a replacement. It's tag team.
Tag team and Sean Harvey, a graduate from Sardis Secondary, is going to attempt it. Except rather from starting around the corner, he will attempt a straight pull from the outside. The question is, will he be successful in this blizzard? Dusty, the driver, is out of his vehicle.
Okay.
What is that terrible noise?
I don't know. Got a picture of the truck.
And the truck.
Okay, we're waiting for some action.
And we have,
the rope tightens and away we go.
Oh!
What?
Yeah, go! Pull him.
We want to see a belly pull here.
Yeah, we want to see a belly pull, man.
And
get all the snow down the front end of the shorts. That's the way to go. Oh, for sure. Hey, we should knock off our wiper there. That way you get a nice clear picture each time. And he's partially off.
Hard time keeping focus here. There he is. We got him.
We got him. He's going. Oh, wait!
Oh, we're gonna run him over.
These guys suck. This is terrible. I've never seen anything so awful in my entire life.
Here we have a close-up shot. A nice view of the school from here. Here's Greg, our driver tonight. Look at that studly pose. Okay, and back to the action, folks.
Back to the action, folks.
As our second contestant is still trying to get a decent run.
What a feeble attempt at throwing a Duke, which we will kindly take in for him.
Butt shot.
I need like boots, man.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we got the distance here.
And we got the... Yeah. I believe that the dynamics of the thing is just not... Oh, he's plowing snow! Alright. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for the world record. He's making dust. He's pulling away. This is incredible, folks. The longest ever. Dusty's goes into the wide turn because of his speed, but there's a speed bump over there. They're gonna hit it. They're toast. He's toast. Oh, he better let go. He's gonna be toast. Oh, he maintains. This is impressive. Oh, we're going into the belly pull. This is prehistoric, unlike anything we've ever seen before. Oh. Oh, come here. Oh, congratulations.
Let's get an
That was
interview
all
here.
I think. That was. Oh, look at his face. Oh, you a little bit cold there.
Oh, yes, I love them.
That was impressive.
Oh, man,
That was most
awesome.
impressive.
Here we have a shot of our driver and his
So I'm sure it was
companion.
worth every last minute of it.
Our driver laying in the snow.
Freezing with the knife in front of
That's
it.
not our driver. There he is.
Oh, that, no! Oh no, my car's steering, and then I'm thinking, I'll straighten out for this part, and I gunned it, right? Boom, boom, and then they're all,
Big
look
fish
at
stories
John!
happening.
Oh, it was great. I loved every minute of it, man.
That was impressive.
Did you do that with your truck too?
Oh yeah.
Our poor truck.
I know. It's like, do you want the snowboard?
Oh yeah, I don't think it's very good to do that. But actually, it's not too bad. I mean, if you're smoking it really hard, then or in a dry pavement.
Yeah, that dry pavement would be so bad.
But this is so.
This is like wicked.
Hey man, is that tape? Is it going flashing tape yet?
Yep.
Oh, stop it!
Was it on record the whole time, I
I
hope?
don't know.
You don't know?
Stop
Oh,
it!
it says record. Wait.
Stop.
Now it's recording.
Yo! Yeah.
Okay, it was recording the
It
whole
was
time.
recording.
Okay, but is there a little flash? Stop flashing?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, then stop it.
We're recording again.
We're recording and the next contestant is Rob Descharm.
And we're hoping for some
Part B.
better footage. We're gonna get a little close
Now
up
you
of
see
our
what he looks like
man.
now. We have no idea how he will end up.
Good.
And Dusty can't go anywhere.
secondary.
Dusty's
We're
gonna back
going
up
around
a
in
bit.
circles. I just went behind the truck. We're videotaping this.
And it's gonna be a sharp pull.
We're
Windows
skiing
are
behind. I got a ski rope going.
Yeah, we got the
So we got a
defrost.
toboggan going, and we're
Oh, he's going. He's going. He's going. We're. Oh!
he fell.
Oh, he's bailed.
Do you know
Oh.
where Stevenson Road is? It's the brand new school, the big secondary school. You go. Where were you? Out doing.
Oh, another bail. He turns around because he doesn't know if we're going
yeah,
to be
yeah.
coming into him or not.
Doing donuts and
Hey,
stuff.
want me to clean? All we
No
need to do
way.
is whack that.
Well, that's what we're doing
blade.
here. We don't have an inner tube though. I just felt guilty. I gotta call you. We're just out.
Oh, Dusty needs a running start again.
Oh my
I think we
goodness.
almost have a heavyweight on board or something.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
And he's got to lean into the corner or else he's definitely going to be a wipe.
And that was a very weak
Oh.
light.
Weak display.
Very
Just run
weak
him over.
light. You gotta see better than that.
I was first.
Yeah, if this is the kind of contestants we get, Sean might be declared the athlete of the year.
I'm going.
Oh, another
Oh,
white.
no, I was just talking to Dave. I don't know.
We definitely need some strength training from this contestant.
No?
I believe
What
Sean,
do we
the
call?
athlete of the year, is yelling pointers from Dusty's truck.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I don't know if there's gonna be a church tomorrow or not. I doubt
I doubt
it.
it.
Oh. Oh, you already know? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, cool. I'll get Dan. We'll get Dan's 4x0. Cool, that's. Yeah.
There's another close-up
Okay.
shot.
Talk to you later. Bye.
And Dusty takes off. We have a sort of straightaway here, and we're picking up speed.
You have to press
Yes.
enter or do you have to just shut it?
Hit power or something. And he's going. Does he have the hang of it, or will this corner prove to be fatal?
Hey.
Where did he go?
Hey,
Where
I'm
did he
going
go?
again.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh!
bailage. Okay, it's right in here, Greg.
Okay. Here, we'll just put it back.
I want to try going just on my back, don't even sitting on that thing.
And
Yeah, it's
around the
much
corner.
better.
He's getting the hang of the corners a bit better, folks. He's leaning back. Oh,
bailage.
Bailage.
Hello.
Here we got another switch
And
off.
Stoner once again is going to give another attempt at the toboggan.
Here we get another view of Sardis Senior. A little bit of a blurry view from the inside of the truck. A very impressive building indeed. I don't know how much it cost us taxpayers, but it was a lot. And then here's the one single car in the middle of the parking lot.
And it's
And
actually kind of a guy. Oh, and Stoner is going for a backline. He is on his back, probably getting pounds and pounds of snow into the back of his neck. But he does not care. He wants to go for Athlete of the Year award. Oh yes, the one hand up. He is okay. He's probably saying, faster, faster, take me over a speed bump, please. Oh! Looks like he just... Oh. He is... Oh yeah! Yes! We have, yes! That was an impressive display of
machoism.
Machoism.
Definitely machoism.
Definitely a certain degree of macho.
There we have the other truck. And here comes Sean to reclaim his title.
No pants on now. Can't do it.
Should
No
we go
pants
back
on.
To, someone's
He
house
has
here?
no pants on.
Well, no ski
No,
pants.
he does have pants
Or
on.
what?
I want to get pulled here.
We just saw a city vehicle go by.
Really?
Yeah. So, Greg.
Oh, again, live from Isarta Senior. Woo! We have Sean pulling the toboggan. And Greg is flashing tape again.
There is Greg. Greg is making the moves. He just went on his back and missed it because Menno's expertise is lacking there. Video camera there.
Lacking majorly.
I think he's going to crank this toboggan again. It's a possibility. Oh, they're taking him over some rough terrain. Here he goes.
There's our first good.
He's hurting. He's hurting. He got celebrating. Celebrating. Let's see. There he is. Greg, you're gonna have to do that again.
You jumped, man.
No, you're gonna have to do that again. Yeah, we're gonna have to say you gotta do that. You're gonna have to do that again, Greg.
I don't believe it.
Go do that.